One of the most widely used areas of RFID technology is libraries. RFID technology has an important role in libraries with large collections, large areas, and high circulation. RFID tags are attached to the inside or outside of books for book counting and tracking. All books tagged are saved in the prompt with the RFID reader. The RFID tagged books recorded with the RFID reader can be read quickly and easily. With the RFID library system, the location of the books that customers are looking for can be easily found. With desktop readers, the RFID tag on the book is read, and the person information is matched with the book and recorded on the person. The system warns when a book is wanted to be taken out without being impersonated. This minimizes theft and loss. Through careful planning and implementation of RFID technology, libraries can better manage their collections and provide users with a more organized and convenient experience. You can contact us for more information.